In front of me is POCO F6 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications over here. Notifications and status bar under lock screen. Then click on App Notifications and by tapping on blue switcher next to any app, you can block all notifications from it. In order to switch them back on, hit the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on any of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!